Good morning, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers and YouTubers. Guys, I'm back for another new Leads Lead review. I want you guys to hold on tight. I want you guys to sit through to the end of this video because you're going to absolutely love it. The first thing I want to do is thank you for being on the video. And if you find any of the videos that I'm doing of any real value, then go ahead on and subscribe, guys, okay? Guys, you know I've been doing these lead reviews, these new lead, and I'm loving them. And not only am I loving them, I'm loving them because of what I'm finding out um, inside of leads lead and all the things that you can actually do. And so what I decided to do today was talk to you guys about how you can use the leads lead platform. And guys, I'm going to show you guys how to start making money working from home online as a problem solver. Right? I'm going to show you guys how to start making money working from home online as a problem solver. Because at the end of the day, that's really all it's about as an internet marketer, right? You want to solve a problem for somebody. If you can show enough people how to get the things that they want in life, then surely you can get the things that you want in life, right? So you can, in fact, if you start doing this, make money work from home online as a problem solver. And guess what, guys? You can do it in 3 simple steps. And you can do it using the Leads Lead platform. And let me tell you guys what those steps are. Number 1, you find and identify with a solution, right? Or a problem. Find something that people are looking for, right? What do they want, right? It's millions upon millions of people on YouTube all over the place and all over Google and all online every single day looking to have a particular problem solved, right? So the first thing you want to do is identify with that thing, whatever it is, guys, whatever it is. Now, I'm going to use some specific examples, but you're not relegated to the examples that I use, but you can use the Leads Lead platform and start doing it because there are all kinds of problems that need to be solved. And we can be problem solvers, guys, and we can make money doing it. So the first thing that you want to do is to identify with that particular audience, right? Who's the audience? What are they looking for? What do they want? How can you solve the problem? And in this example, guys, I'm going to be using traffic because I already know that there are a lot of people who need more traffic, right? Everybody's business need more traffic. I love presenting this type of a presentation to that audience. Okay, so I've identified the audience. I know that they're looking for traffic, right? So what do I want to do, guys? I want to create a capture page, right? I want to create a page where I can get in front of that audience and I can start building a list of those people who are looking for that particular thing. And then this traffic is, and in this, then this example is traffic, right? I know people are looking for it. So I've identified that audience, and now I've created myself a simple capture page, right? And now I can get in front of that audience. And we're going to talk about how to do it, right? I can get in front of that audience because, you know, when you've identified that audience and then you create yourself a simple capture page, it has to be complex. Then you can create a page like this to get in front of that audience, if that makes sense, right? And the next thing you want to do, guys, is after you've done that, is you want to actually redirect them from your capture page, get them on your list first, and then take them over to a place where they can actually have that problem solved, right? Where they can actually have that problem solved, right? We're talking about traffic. I got tons and tons and tons of it. I'll show you guys how to get tons and tons and tons of it. But the point is, right, let's just back up. We're talking about the new Leads Lead review, right? We're talking about being able to create these simple capture pages in no time flat. We're talking about being able to find an audience, right, that can identify, or that you can identify with, that you can create a simple capture page for, and then you can start building a list of those people. And when they start coming onto your list, right, you start solving the problem. Does that make sense? Right? Very simple. Now, it could be a full step if you guys really want to get technical. I'm inside of my Leads Lead account, and I'm going to show you guys something. But the point is, the fourth step, let me talk about something. The fourth step, guys, you're building your list, right? The fourth step is, as you build that list, to keep solving problems and keep making money by solving problems. If you can show enough people how to get what it is they want in life, you can in fact get what it is you want in life. So that was very, 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 very simple, right? You know what I mean? Very simple steps. Identify with an audience. Look, find something that tens of thousands of people are desperately searching for, right? And then, guys, create yourself a simple capture page. And on the other side of that capture page, make sure that you solve that problem, right? There's the capture page. Here's the problem solving solution. There are all types of calls to action inside of my bridge page, inside of my thank you page. And guess what, guys? Guess what? You can do it inside of Leasley. I just created that page just for this video, right? I create these little slides and I do all that. It takes me less than 20 minutes. I can do 8 videos a day. I have videos. I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. I have videos right now. I don't know, 20 videos sitting in the queue because it doesn't take me a lot of time to do it. I want to really start putting more emphasis on the 7-hour work week, because when you get this stuff down, guys, you can literally go ahead and create these campaigns, these automated marketing systems, and you can just pop them out. And I got the traffic sources, right? I can give you traffic. I can show you guys I can get traffic every single day, even on holidays and even while you're sleeping. So look, let me ask you guys this. Okay, you guys, let me guys, your problem is solved. If you want, right, the share codes, right, to all these incredible systems that I got, right, you can get every single one of them. I'll show you guys, we'll show you how to get in front of the make money from home niche, right? Because those are my 2 favorite niches: the work from home, make money niche, and the traffic lead and generation niche. That's all I do. That's it. That's all I have to do. I create relationships with the list that I build. I build rapport with the list that I build. I solve problems for the list that I build, and you guys can do the exact same thing. It's just that simple. Yeah, you can have a 7-hour work week, right? Because when you start doing this inside of Leasley, you're going to see just how simple and easy it is. You're going to be like, wow, you'll be popping out automated marketing systems, or should I say problem-solving automated marketing systems at the click of a mouse in no time flat. Faster than you can say, was that Marlon or Bennett? Yep, it was, guys. It's me. And I'm always in this place, and I'm always in this space where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew. And I'm always sharing with you. So guys, if you want to get hooked up, you want to get inside, join me inside of these links. I'll pop you over the actual share codes. I'll give you guys the automated marketing systems, and then you guys can start becoming what, guys? Problem solvers. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's get hot.